Have you ever wondered why certain colors make you feel a certain way? Or how designers use colors to convey a message or evoke emotions? That's where color theory comes in. Color theory is the study of how colors interact with each other and how they can be combined to create a desired effect. There are three primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. By mixing these together, you can create secondary colors like green, purple, and orange. The color wheel can also be divided into warm colors, like reds and oranges, and cool colors, like blues and greens. And then there's color harmony. This refers to the way colors are used together in a design to create a pleasing and balanced effect. For example, complementary colors, like red and blue, create a bold and striking contrast when used together. Analogous colors, like red, orange, and yellow, create a harmonious and cohesive effect. And monochromatic designs, which use different shades of the same color, can create a calming and sophisticated look. By understanding color theory, designers can create powerful and effective designs that resonate with their audience. So the next time you see a design that makes you feel a certain way, remember, it's all in the colors. Thanks for watching.